Hi guys, welcome back to our vlogs. So for today's vlog, we'll be going to Eaton Center, that's in Toronto, and we're leaving from Richmond Hill. Well, we're going to use one stone today and kill two birds. Here we go now. So we have always wanted to go to Eaton Center because it's a major tourist attraction here in Ontario, and also Jaden has never taken the train because we've been so busy. So this is his first time going on a train in Canada in his life, right? So it's exciting. It's exciting.
And guys, I'm also excited to take the train as well. It's been a while since I've been on the train, so you don't know.
Yeah, since you're going to school, you never take the train.
And even before that, remember I was doing classes online.
Oh yes. So
nearly 2 years now since I have taken the train. Believe it or not. Since it's nearly 2 years now since I've taken the train, guys.
Okay.
Maybe 1 year and 9 months, 1 year and 8 months, rough estimate, right? So it's been a while. So we're all happy to take the train.
I can't wait. I've never been there. Everybody been talking about this place, and I want to just see it. I hear that it's a big shopping village. So as much as it's the first time for us seeing it, maybe it's the first time for you. So just sit back and enjoy, and I hope you enjoy what you're seeing, and what we are showing you. So we're gonna just use this day to get Jaden the sneakers. You remember from when we're trying to get the sneakers? Well, we've been so busy we didn't get back to it. So hopefully they have a sneaker that he likes, because summer is coming up and I have a teenager in my house now, so we're gonna get him fly, right? All right, just enjoy the journey. You have anything
big
to
up
say?
On yourself and watch a video.
Peace, guys.
Yeah,
stay tuned.
Big up. What you feeling? What a rush you flight and nearly run late.
So we're passing the famous Highway 7.
Yeah,
those who are in Ontario would know that this is we are on it, and this is a popular Highway 7. So this is it.
I think it extends from Brampton, come all the way up to Richmond Hill. So you don't know, it cut through Vaughan. Vaughan is a very big community, and come all the way up to and it goes to Markham as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a York Region highway.
It's a Peel and York Region highway, because
it's like a bridge. It's bridging those communities.
Yeah, it's bridging those communities, but it extends from Peel Region, which you don't know, Brampton, Mississauga, and all those places, right? I think it starts in Brampton, runs all the way through Vaughan, and Richmond Hill and Markham. I'm not sure if it extends to any other community, but it runs through those main towns and cities, yeah? So popular highway, as wife was saying, guys.
And right here is very familiar to me, because I used to work nearby here. When I just came to Canada, I integrated in manufacturing, and I was working in a factory that's near here. This has so much memories for me. You remember, Jeremy?
Good and bad memories.
Good and bad memories. But with every journey, there's a lesson that was learned, and I value them so much because it really molding who you are today and really strengthen you,
True.
So let me see, what was my exact bus stop? I am approaching my exact
Remember me,
bus
I used to come at the bus stop over there?
Yeah.
And we used to stop down there saying
it was so nice of him. He used to carry me to work. We take the bus together and then I walk up. So this was my exact bus stop. We're approaching it right now.
This was when you
see there?
Yeah, right here.
My first job in Canada was up that road.
It was the first job that's not all?
Yeah, it was my first job. We get my first salary so we can make up the rent. So I can't forget
Boy,
that.
up here and struggle for pay the rent, guys. There by myself.
500 meters, turn left onto Kiel Street,
Yeah, it
York
was
Regional
good.
Road 6.
So you're hearing the GPS, sorry about that. But what we'll be doing today, we will be driving to Pioneer Village. That's a major station. And we'll be taking the train from there and leaving the car in paid parking. So that's how we'll be getting to Eaton Center, because I think the center has parking, but maybe I think because it's popular.
Guys, you
busy.
don't want to go downtown Toronto to get parking. You know what I'm saying? You can do it, but I think it's a wise idea to
It's
stay
more
away.
expensive to park within Toronto, and
True.
also you'd have to take a streetcar to Eaton Center. I don't think you can drive directly there. If you know otherwise, you can comment below, but from my knowledge, that's what I heard. So I'm just going as recommended. I'm going to Pioneer Village first, and then I'll be taking the train straight to Eaton Center. So this is where I am now. I am at the corner of Highway 7 and Kiel. I used to even be at this bus stop also in the
remember
night.
this bus stop? I used to run,
I used to
come down
take
to
the
catch-
Viva Orange.
Yeah, if you catch
That's
the orange.
the bus that drives in that lane. It's a specific lane for that bus. They drive fast, fast, fast.
So they're not really in traffic. There's a lane, right?
them
There's an orange
alone.
lane marked there for the Viva Orange bus. So
And the Vivas, the bus, it marked V. You see the V sign, you're not seeing it that clear, but it's there, and they have these shelters. It's only for the Viva bus in York region.
So you have two nice buses, guys, within the York region. You know, you have the Viva Blue and the Viva Orange.
Now you have the purple that goes to Stouffville.
And you have the purple, true. You have the purple go to Stouffville. But
Continue
like
on York Regional Road
on a regular
6 for 2
basis, it's really the
kilometers.
blue and the orange you take.
Right.
You know what I'm
Well,
saying?
for me.
For most persons,
Well, yeah.
unless you're really going on some different type of
So
journeys.
the blue, the orange takes you from Richmond Hill. Well, it comes from Newmarket through Aurora to Richmond Hill to Vaughan. And then the blue goes from Newmarket through Richmond Hill straight through Steeles and Young and goes straight to Finch Station. That's the border of York region and Toronto. Right.
Can you imagine, guys? You can take a bus that brings you from one point to the other that without really being in traffic or anything. So you can travel a long distance in that bus. It comes like it's like the go bus.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You can travel from Richmond Hill to Vaughan in an orange without really stopping at any bus stop. That's the purpose for the orange. It just takes you to a faraway location quickly because it's not stopping at any bus stop. Versus the blue has to stop at each and every bus stop, you know what I'm saying? Or the designated bus stops so they can pick up persons. So it's more a round town bus. The blue is a round town bus and the orange take you on long distances, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So the orange is a good bus to take, guys. But they run really, what you call it now, on faraway timings.
So they run like every 20 minutes.
Yeah. Instead of a blue that you might see every 5-10 minutes.
No, the blue is not like you will see a blue like one leave 5 minutes after the other will leave like 20 minutes. So you have to catch the two that comes close together. You understand?
But that's not the experience at every bus stop though. You know what I'm saying? That's not the experience. When I was at Islington on Highway 7 traveling to school, the blue comes so often every 5-10.
Right
The maximum I would wait is maybe 12 minutes on a blue.
So you're
Seriously.
seeing, guys, we're at the border of Toronto. You're seeing the sign, welcome to Toronto.
Sorry. I'm telling me to take a right turn.
You see, we're chatting and
So now guys, when you see this red bus now, you don't know you're in Toronto. Those are
Yeah.
called the TTC. Those run every minute, every 2, 3 to maximum 5 minutes you will be at the bus stop.
And that is another reason why persons like to live in Toronto, because the bus comes in
Clockwork,
yeah,
guys.
like clockwork.
Clockwork, every minute there's a next bus, whichever bus stop you're at.
So you see the sign, welcome to Toronto. We are at the border now of Toronto and Vaughan.
Yep.
And another way to identify Toronto, there's always construction going on. So when you see the orange cones, it's always, even in Vaughan too,
Yeah, so
Yeah, it's a construction city. Ontario is all about construction, and this is the time, given that the snow has left, it's construction
600 meters,
season
turn left
officially.
onto Founders
So
Road.
it will be
I don't know,
continuous.
you know, how far you see all construction no snow.
Yeah, we see it in the snow, but more so now. Now you're going to see it more than
To tell
ever.
the truth, a theory that's in theory. That's what's supposed to happen. But in reality, since I've been here, all when at minus 15, you see guys out there the
Turn
construction.
left onto Founders Road.
Crazy guys, crazy. But in theory, guys, that's not supposed to happen. It's really now a construction season. You know what I'm saying?
Guys, my school year I aspire to go. That will be my university in the near future. York University. I like that university.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
So we're on our way to Pioneer Village.
And this is where we'll park, guys.
And this is where we'll be parking to take the train to Eaton Center.
Yep.
In 150 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Ian McDonald Boulevard.
Hey, man, we just come here, bus system is so confusing.
What was that?
When it just came to Canada, the bus system was so rough.
Exit the roundabout onto Ian McDonald Boulevard.
Because you have to
In
use the
500
GPS on your
meters,
phone.
at the roundabout,
But when
take
they
the
get
first
used
exit
to
onto
it, they
Northwest
realize, so,
Gate.
you know, it's really easy. So those are the TTC guys, those are the Toronto buses, you know. Those red and white buses, those run in Toronto, in and around Toronto guys, you know. Yeah guys, so we're here doing the paid parking, you know. Have your vehicle in a secure place. Yeah, I don't want to park downtown, to be honest. I rather come at the train station and pay for parking. Alright guys, so it was $10 a parking. Receipt, do you want to print receipt? Yep, well, receipt.
Get my ticket. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on the dashboard.
Why, you don't want them clamp it?
No.
So you're supposed to do with the ticket, just put it in there?
Yeah, I think so.
Chilly today.
Guys, this is not April at all. It's February. This could never be April. It's really cold. Alright guys, so you have both buses and trains running to and from Pioneer Village. Of course, you know, you have the buses running above ground and the trains are, you know, below ground. So I've never been in a train station without a mask, guys. Nice, 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 nice. All three of us, right?
Yeah, that's right. I use a Presto. I have a Presto with 2.
You have a Presto card?
Yeah, but I'm not sure how much money on it.
Oh.
Yeah, how much do you guys need to get through? Because I still have change on mine. I can open it. It's free because I have a transfer, so you don't have to spend money.
Okay.
Oh, but we still need to take the train.
Oh, okay. If you guys want to, I was just helping out. I have a free transfer. That's why.
Oh no, oh respect. So like
Sure would help.
Like one person could.
Yeah, come and need it for Jaden.
Oh, okay. Thanks, man.
So when you guys come through, you can give it back to me.
Thank you.
No problem.
Use it here?
Yeah, I'm staying right here. I'm waiting for a bus.
Okay.
That's just my card. I was saying little man could use it to get through, and then so only you two have to pay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You understand that?
No.
All right.
So let
This-
the command come through.
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
he'll
but-
give it back
but-
to me,
but-
and then you guys pay for yours.
But
So
he
you
will
guys
still also need to pay for the train too.
transfer downstairs. Once you
Oh.
get transfer, you'll see our red box. He can press the button. He can use that for 2 hours going anyway.
You guys, a guy called Jesse just help us out. Yeah, he gave Jaden a free pass. You know what I'm saying? So I just learned something also. Once he's within the train station or inside, he can always go down and get a transfer. You know, so that's good. No, she's trying to upload some money on her Presto card so she can actually get inside the train station.
That's crazy.
Hmm?
It's crazy.
Mm-hmm. So how I used to do it, Jaden, when I'm in and out, I have a Presto card. I have money on it and I just tap it right here. Alright, once you tap it, these gates open and you can always just go downstairs and wait on the train. Alright guys, so we are on platform number 1 and they're heading down. So we're heading down to take the train, guys. You know, you just pay to enter the train station. Who's that guy?
The train schedule in a 1 minute.
In a 1 minute, there's always another train, so no rush.
To the train line, he said the next station you guys get off at, they don't have the red box here, but the next station you guys get off at, just grab them one from there.
Just grab one
I
from
went
there.
to go talk quick for
Thank
you
you
guys.
so
No
But
problem.
how they know which one I would get off right now? Anyone?
Where are you guys getting off?
We're going Eaton Center.
Eaton Center? Yeah, they'll have them there. You'll see the red boxes everywhere. But when you
Okay.
get in, just ask one of the TTC people in the coach. Just be
Yeah.
like, I need a transfer for your son.
Big up yourself.
No
And
problem.
please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Please, Russian Wally Vlog.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Okay, I got you. I
Yeah,
will.
man. Alright, big up, big up, big up. Yeah, guys, so we're there here, you know, and we're gonna take the train. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Ready.
Like pretty.
Free.
Yeah, guys, this is how basically all train stations look. I have been at quite a few, and this is a general idea, right? So yeah, we're taking an exit of stairs, you know, going further down below. And this is really smart, guys. I think in Jamaica we need, I know it's a really hard system to institute, but we need to have things like this that allows you to travel really quickly instead of just taking vehicles above ground. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you're traveling long distances, a train just take you there quickly.
Yeah, and this should be like a...
You know, you have one coming up and one going down. And something else that also that got to me when I came here, how fast people are moving. So the next thing, guys, you don't, both persons you're traveling as a family, you don't block up the way. You stand so other persons can pass, because persons are always moving in a rush. You hear that heavy sound? That's a train coming, guys.
Public transportation, you have to wear mask.
Allah, yeah, cool.
God no. You have to cover your nose.
Mm.
Yeah, you have to cover your nose.
Alright, good.
Yeah, from public transportation.
But this heading to
They asked if we have to wear one chain for the mask.
But they want me pass you.
mm-hmm.
You don't have none though.
Me have something can, yeah, look how much marks me have. I could have just.
You don't have nothing to put over here.
So guys, they relax the whole mask wearing, but I just remember something that on these public, it's been a while since we have taken public transportation, so we need to have a mask. How we're gonna do it now? Why if you have fear mask? You have an undershirt, Jaden?
Yeah, I have an undershirt.
You have to maybe take off that, because you don't really want to violate, guys. Let me see if I can find something quickly. Most towards. Yeah. This is it. Yeah. That is set to Finch. Towards Finch.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're in the train.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Alright, so these guys are in the train.
Yeah. You feel for the train?
feel like
Eh?
nothing enough to explain. Way more faster than this for sure.
You go faster than the bus for sure.
Yeah, it's
On the outside.
Be covering our faces, yeah? This is our mask for now. We
Yeah.
don't want to violate. Yeah, so you have to get it done right. Right, Jaden?
See people are relaxed with their mask.
Yeah, but you just want to make sure that you're doing the right thing. Yeah, guys, so while you're in the train, you know, there's actually a guideline there that shows you what's going on, you know, where you are and all the other stuff to come. So it's not bad at all. That boy Jada, look up. Look up, look at him. Huh? So one of the good things, guys, is that on your phone you can always track, you know, all the stops, and inside the train you would see the same stops that I showed you earlier on, you know what I'm saying? So now we are at which stop
We're
is this?
going to Downsview.
So that means
Arriving
we're
at Downsview Park. Downsview Park Station.
good. So we just left from
Doors
Finn
will
Station
open on the left.
and we are now arriving at Downsview Park station. So all these Wi-Fi phone Concord, yeah, so all these are main stops, and when you exit the train station, you know, you're inside of some communities. So you can always track where you're heading. So we're going through all these stops, and our final
Please
stop
stand clear
is
of the
Queen.
doors.
Alright, and it's the same thing showing up there. All those lightings that you're seeing, there are different stops. Alright guys, I realize we exit the tunnel, so you're getting a bit of light. You know, we're getting some lighting because we're not in the tunnel now. We can actually see outside, you know. So yeah, this is one of the stops. This is how I used to like. The first time I see it, you know, it was really good because most times I travel, the train travel within the tunnel, and then now there are some stops that are not within a tunnel. So you see light, you know, you see what's going on outside. Yeah, you have the platform, you have to stop, you know, and it have got enclosed where you can see outside.
Like this.
You can see outside same way.
I don't remember seeing this.
Eh? Yeah, there is one by Finch, I think.
Wilson Station.
Wilson.
Doors will open on the left.
My stop used to be Shepherd West, but we already passed Shepherd West. Yeah. You see? And you can see outside. Yeah. So the train station actually come back above ground. Yeah. Boy, it's really remarkable what mankind designed, right? And if you're coming from a religious point of view, you can say what God inspired mankind to do.
Exactly.
You know? Yeah, they can't do it by themselves. or we can't do it by ourselves. You know, it's really remarkable, guys.
Next station is Yorkdale Station.
But it made me feel like I want to take train again, start to take train again, don't it?
I can just take this
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah, what do you go? Yorkdale Mall.
Trust me, guys, I will start taking the train. I will start to take the train more often. Guys, that's Yorkdale Mall. You look on the parking lot. Guys, always full, and it's a huge mall. And it's always full. It's beautiful inside. When we talk about beautiful, it's amazing inside. This mall, I think, gives Vaughan Mills stiff competition. But I think it's worth it to come and spend your money. I think it's worth it, guys. All who are interested, guys, spend your money and come. You can work it back. I'm telling you, even if you're making minimum wage, you can work it back. You know, I'm not gonna sell you any rich dream or anything like that, but it will be a full satisfaction. The first year might be rough, the second year might be little rough, but after that it gets better, guys. You'll settle in and you'll start getting yourself, you know, acquainted with the day-to-day lifestyle. And as Jamaicans, you know, we're strong, so we will do the right things to get ourselves in line. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, spend the money and come.
Will open on the right.
Alright guys, so we're at our stop, you know, coming off right now. Yep. Yeah, so we're finally there. We're at Queen Station, guys.
Take off your mask.
You can take off mask now, that's true. Get a break. Yeah. The team is out, guys. Where we're going? Eaton Sector? You're just drinking too much. Alright, so again, okay, so this is a little red thing, transfer. As the guy was explaining, you can just come here, press, and get a ticket. Press. Collect one for me too. Yep. And these transfer tickets has time limits on them.
2 hours.
2 hours. Less than 2 hours. 2 hours overall for the travel.
Okay.
So the time remaining, what time is it now?
7:24 and 25.
Yeah, but what time is it now? And that tells you how much time remaining out of the 2 hours that the original ticket had.
It's 7:24.
It's 7:24 now?
Yeah.
Oh, so it shows you 7:24. So what's the time limit on it? It must expire at a certain time, you know?
Everything expire after 2 hours.
Okay, so this one, alright, cool. Obviously, when you're coming out the train station, you don't have to pay. And this is when you enter in the train station, you can come here and pay, you know? Just as though we did when we were entering from... What's the location again where we enter from? Where would we park the car again?
Pioneer.
Yeah, just as how we paid when we entered at Pioneer Village, that's how we would pay here, guys. What? No, that's not a woman, that's a guy. So we are at Eaton Center, guys. We came off at...
Another way?
Push. Push.
Push. Let's go.
Yee!
Finally here.
This is it? How much minutes did it show you for Eaton? No, for the walk. When you come off at 1 minute, oh, so we are at Eaton Center, guys. Oh, it's Queen Stop, and it's at Eaton Center, right? Yeah.
So, we'll go here. Do you want to sit down? Don't sit down. We don't have that.
So
Sports check.
she's searching for the
Which one you want,
particular
Champs?
store.
Sports check. Look at sports check.
I'm a foot locker.
So I'm on level 1.
I'm a foot locker.
Let me see. Foot Locker.
Yes.
Along the Foot Locker? Foot Locker Kids.
Oh.
This is Foot Locker Kids. Let me
I'm
see.
a foot locker.
Let me see. Foot. Only Foot Locker Kids.
For kids. We can just walk around on the mall, you know, and just look, stop at different stores.
Let me see which stores. Champs and
Close them on.
Specific.
H&M. Oh, so we are right here as I go? Okay. Say the way where H&M is.
All right, let's go. So it's our first time, guys, at Eaton Center. Yeah, Jaden is off, guys, to check out the store.
Elevator. Foot Locker. So that's a Foot Lock. So this is Starbucks here in the center. Yeah, well, actually, he's the one who's trying to get something. This is not just Foot Locker Kids. This is just kids.
The adults are across all two lines.
Oh, Jay, the adults are across because you're in adult category.
The kids store, the adults are across all. Oh,
That's the Starbucks right here, guys. Alright, so we were just at the kids' Foot Locker and we received some instructions from one of the workers there that there's an adult one close by, so we're heading in. Which one? How much of them?
$54.
What?
They're bright.
Huh? Love that song here, see man. Hey guys, we're outside. No COVID, no more COVID guys. It's all done, it's all done. No more COVID. Yeah guys. See the shade on the camera right now. Yeah guys, so we're going up the escalator trying to find some Jordan ones again.
If we don't find it, you have to pick something else because look here, sister who in the US, you have to hook me up on the Jordan ones and send it across because Canada is crazy with the sneakers thing.
It's hard to get a Jordan ones guys.
The kids are all for Jordan ones and the young adults. I guess I gotta get me a Jordan one too.
So we're in the middle of Trinity Square and Young Street, right? So the mall is located in between both streets, yeah? Really nice. Alright guys, it's really amazing mall. It's the best mall that we have been to since we're here. Very large mall guys, it's awesome. Really, really awesome guys. It's amazing.
Hi guys, so this is the close of our vlog. I hope you really enjoyed. Well, this mall is beautiful. I must say it's the first time we are coming here and a good experience. We actually got the Jordan, but not the Jordan ones, but we are pleased with what we got and we had a great time on the mall. I must come back to this mall.
What's the name of the mall?
Eaton Center. So it's the mall to be.
Trust me guys, when you come and visit Toronto, you should come to Eaton
It's
Center.
hip. I'm telling you guys.
Yeah man, mall hot guys. Jane, are you pleased?
Oh, like say big. And they
Tell
full
me
up
like-
with people.
What kind of people? Me know
And
what him say,
guys,
I like. Tell him
guys,
what you like.
the lighting is awesome guys, I'm telling
Tell him
you.
what you like. What
No,
you
he's
want.
all set. He's not into that. So Jaden got his sneakers, his Jordans, and he's feeling good. Not the Jordan ones, but he's feeling good. So guys, really appreciate the support. Thanks again guys. You can always expect some nice vlogs from us and we'll keep on posting, alright? Yeah man.
So guys,
Big up on yourself.
bless up on yourself.
Yeah man, big up, big up, big up, big up. Keep on watching our vlogs guys. Don't miss a post. I'm out.